Today we're gonna be making affogatos. Affogatos are delicious, and if you haven't had one, let me introduce you to them today. They're essentially ice cream and espresso, but since not everybody have an espresso machine, I will be using my trusted moka pot. I prepare my moka pot by grinding up 14 grams of coffee in fine grind. After grinding the coffee, I start filling the filter basket while it's out of the bottom chamber. Just make sure the grounds are level. Give it a shake to settle the grounds evenly. Then I fill the bottom chamber of the moka pot with off-boiled water. I fill it up to right under the safety valve. Now place the filter basket into the bottom chamber and screw on the moka pot's spouted top. Just be careful though, because the bottom chamber is already hot. Now place the pot into the stove and set it to medium heat. Get your favorite vanilla ice cream. This time we're gonna be using Magnolia ice cream because it's the only available vanilla ice cream in the store when I went to the grocery. This is not sponsored though. We're just gonna load up a hefty amount of ice cream here because we're gonna pour the hot coffee right on top, so it melts the ice cream as we go. Now we wait until the coffee is ready. Oops, there you go. Let's pour the hot coffee from our moka pot onto our ice cream. Now as you can see, it's melted and becomes kinda slushy and delicious. Thanks for watching.